sketchy is the ladder on the back of this van? On a scale of 1 to 3. It's at least 3. Of all the movies filmed in this van, how many of them were adults? Let's roll, buttholes.
Where can I draw a dick on it?
Morning, man. How are you?
Rough.
Were you out last night?
Yeah, we went out street racing last night. Did a few races, and then on the way over here too, we were playing around with the Supra all up and down the road. We got some good footage.
That's awesome.
Yeah, we hit Drake's, and then after that, found some Mexico places.
Nice. I like that.
It is fun.
Send me bids when you get it.
I will, for sure, man.
See you, buddy.
See ya. Morning, buddy.
What's up, dude? How are you?
Good, man.
On the ramp, that one. You guys like? Yeah, 5 minutes out. I know.
Garrett sent neighbor a little too hard. Oof. Morning again, buddy. How you doing?
Morning again.
Good,
How'd it go for you yesterday? I didn't get a chance to look.
Damn good. I even watched the live stream. No one could see me because I had the most smoke during Rivals.
Oh, I think I did see some comments on like you guys used the most of the track.
That's what I was hoping for. I mean, we didn't win, but I don't ever care to win. I just go out to play. I just put on shows for fans. That's all we do to have fun.
Absolutely.
People didn't believe me. They're like, "What are you guys doing after this?" I'm like, "I'm changing the tires and we're going to Mexico." They're like, "No, you're not." I'm like, "Okay." We got a bunch of footage. Went out last night.
I am though.
Did some stuff this morning too. They're like, "Really?" I was like, "Yeah, the car's meant to do everything. It takes it."
Hell yeah. I love that, man. I love it.
Why I gotta be so fat?
Bro, we're gonna shotgun up there.
So, how sketchy is the ladder on the back of this van? On a
That's good, bro.
on a scale of 1 to 3.
Fuck this thing.
It's at least 3.
It's at least 3.
It's at least this many.
That's a big old 3.
Right here's the sturdiest part of the van.
Wait, we gotta see.
Oh boy.
We gotta see inside this van.
There's lava lamp somewhere.
Lava lamp.
Somebody shotgun the lava lamp.
Oh boy.
Rock, which one you want? Not the lava lamp. Brock, get up here, Brock.
I feel like hepatitis might be happening.
Hey.
Hey, I told you it's a weird van.
Of all the movies filmed in this van, how many of them were adult?
Everyone else.
We haven't had any that weren't adult. This has to be my last one after this. 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 Because I do have to work today. Let's roll, buddy!
So, we just got home and we heard a grinding noise.
Hey, I'm the burnout champion, bro. I didn't feel that at all.
Hey, one pop tire.
The heck?
Nobody even gave me lights or anything. Like, nobody flashed me, nobody nothing. What the heck, dude?
Oh my god.
I didn't feel a difference at all. Nothing changed for the last
Hour and a half.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we are back home. It is time to unload. What an amazing weekend it was. I feel like that was one of our best burnouts ever. Not only because we finally popped the tires, but we didn't break Klaus. He's really good. The only damage we have is when that tire blew, the cords wrapped up and all of this right back here and pulled it in, but hey, some pliers and a hammer and some paint, it'll be just fine. The car didn't overheat, which was nice. We were still having that clutch issue. It went flat. The car died when that tire popped. Something electrical, shut it off, turned it back on, finished it. Everything's just going awesome right now. September 17th, we have the charity event downtown Toledo. Zach from Hoonigan, I think you saw them a little bit in our video. They wanted us to be in California by the end of the month to shoot in the burn yard and this first that. I don't know if that's going to happen because that's going to be like a week-long trip and I don't think we can get that much time off. Then also that very next week would be shooting with Top Gear and Rob Dom. Then right after that, SXSblog wants us to come out and do some sand racing in Silver Lake with them. And then what, right after that, we got another Cletus and Cars, and there was something else. There's so much going on these next couple months. It's crazy. We're going to try to do it all. I don't know if it's going to happen, but we're going to see. There's lots to do. But I just want to thank you guys for watching, commenting, subscribing. It's helping us, because if we could actually start making some money on YouTube, we could work less and make cooler videos and build cooler things, because we have Chad's burnout car that'll be built over the winter and Brandon's burnout car. So we're going to try to get a burnout car in each one of the classes. You guys have a good one. Balls are out.